Hey guys, Katie here, and I'm here with yet another song. So basically, what I'm doing this time is "How to Be a Heartbreaker" by I can't say her name, and the Diamonds. So the lyrics that I use will be in the description below. No copyright intended, and I hope you guys enjoy. So go! Number one is that you gotta have fun. Maybe when you're done, you're the first to run. Number two, but in to lose. Let me tell you how to be a breaker. Looking like a little danger. Rooting for all the strangers. I play singing I love you. You're a breaker. Looking up to look for danger. You're all for a stranger. I play singing I love you. Yes, I think I do. La la love you. Number three. Too hard on the sea. And on the sea. You wanna taste the sea. Number four. I'll be looking through. And goodbye at the door. Living more than more. You gotta be a heartbreaker. Looking like a little danger. Looking fall for a stranger. A player singing I love you. You're a heartbreaker. Looking like a little danger. Looking fall for a stranger. A player singing I love you. So I think I do. I love you. We do ever it will say. You wanna have to say. I had be a heartbreaker, looking like a little danger. You can't fall for a stranger. I pray, singing I love you. I be a heartbreaker, looking like a little danger. You can't fall for a stranger. I pray, singing I love you. I think I do. I hope you guys enjoyed. That is it. Bye, guys. Bye.